Welcome to page 13 of your term combining packet. On page 13, we are going to be term combining and finding the perimeter of several triangles. Our first problem that we've been given states, find the perimeter of the scaling triangle with the following sides: 3x plus 1, 4x minus 3, and 2x plus 4. In any scaling triangle, we know the sides are all different. And we can tell because we've been given different expressions to represent each of those sides. In order to find the perimeter, we need to stack and combine. Let's do that. 3x minus 1, and under that 4x minus 3, and finally 2x plus 4. Draw a line, and in a moment you're going to term combine and calculate the perimeter of this particular scaling triangle. Let's move on to problem number 2. It states, find the perimeter of an isosceles triangle with the following sides: 3x minus 1, 3x minus 1, and 2x plus 8. We know in an isosceles, 2 of the sides are congruent. But go ahead and stack your expressions. 3x minus 1, 3x minus 1, and 2x plus 8. Show your work on page 13. Make sure you're taking all the notes. Now pause the video and term combine for problem number 1 and problem number 2. Please pause the video now. For problem number 1, as you combine your constants, a loss of 1 and a loss of 3 make a loss of 4. A loss of 4 and a gain of 4 are opposites, so we get 0. For our x term, we should get 9 x's. You can write it this way, or you can simply state 9x is the perimeter. Down at the bottom, for problem number 2, we can see we've experienced a loss of 2, but a gain of 8. We subtract and find the difference. It's a gain of 6. And when you add together all your x terms, you get 8x. 8x plus 6. Give yourself a C if number 1 is correct, and give yourself a C if number 2 is correct. This concludes the video for page 13.